Hat Club just sent over a package. Let's see what's inside. Before we get into this box, y'all already know how it goes. If it's your first time touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. I don't know about y'all, but Hat Club has really come out the gate swinging in October. First with the walnut scripts, then they had Midnight Glow in the Dark just the other day, which sold out, by the way. I didn't get my Dodgers, but we all take our losses, so it is what it is. Let's see what we got. Gotta give y'all the first look. I know what that is. I know what that is. All right, Hat Club Horror Pack. Spooky season is upon us. So of course, Hat Club brought back the horror pack, but it's 8 new styles this time. If y'all haven't already heard, there are 8 new horror pack styles dropping this Friday the 13th. And this one right here, this was my number one. If y'all didn't watch that video, y'all could tap in after this one, of course. But this Atlanta Braves right here, let's break it down right quick for y'all. So you got the Vegas gold, like tan on the crown. That front logo though, that's where the money is. That Atlanta Braves front logo is simple, but there's something about that graphite gray, that medium gray threading. It looks kind of metallic. I love that threading. 40th anniversary Braves side patch, and you know I'm gonna hit y'all with the close-up so you could really get into those details. You have like a tan outline that matches the crown. It's like a darker tan in there behind the skyline that I think is a really nice touch. It looks good. You got more of that gray in there, some black, of course. It's a good looking side patch. I like the placement on that a lot. Flat Batterman logo on the back, some more of that gray, white in the middle, black on the opposite side. Tonal New Era flag, gray UV with the black guts. Very nice two-tone. Very nice two-tone. Again, tan and black. I think this hat is going to make a great everyday hat. Yeah, of course, the horror pack is horror movie, you know, hook inspired. I can sound off down below what y'all think the hook behind the hat is, but this is cold. This is cold. It's definitely still my number one out of the pack, and I think it looks even better in hand, in person. Hopefully I'm able to do it justice for y'all in the B-roll. Normally this is the point where I would steam and curve the hat, but it's a size 7 1/4. It's a size 7 1/4 and I wear a 7 1/8. So I'm gonna hold off on that for right now. Damn, I already got combos in mind. I already got the fit in mind. You're gonna wanna pay attention to this next part. Like I mentioned earlier, the Hat Club Horror Pack is 8 styles and they'll be dropping this Friday on the Hat Club website. They will also be available at NoHo, Hat Club NoHo, and Hat Club LA. But they're only gonna get 4 styles each. So make sure you tap in with the Hat Club Instagram page for NoHo and LA so you know what teams are dropping where. But this joint right here, this Atlanta Braves hat, this is an in-app exclusive. So you're gonna have to download the Hat Club app if you want a chance at scooping this up on Friday. I'll be on the website and I'll be on the app because I definitely have my eye on not only this hat, but another one, the Arizona Diamondbacks script, cold. If you enjoyed the sneak peek, the early unboxing, then like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.